How to automatically change lock screen wallpaper on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your Android and then you need to open settings, scroll down, navigate to home screen and lock screen options and scroll down to the bottom. Select Carousel Wallpapers. And here you need to simply tap on Use Carousel Wallpapers. If you do not find the option here, you can come back to the same settings section and select Display and Brightness. Scroll to the bottom and select Wallpapers at bottom. Here you can tap on Carousel Wallpapers at top right corner and come across the same section. Tap on Use Carousel Wallpapers. Here you can easily add the badges or add from photos. You can even long press on particular wallpaper and then tap on the add button at bottom center. Then it will be added to Carousel Wallpapers. So if you have already used it, you will come across the setting page where you can easily select the carousel mode and then you can choose the option to only show customized wallpaper or show customized and recommended wallpaper. You can choose preferences and then select your preferences and select the save button. Once done, you will successfully enable the automatic change of lock screen wallpaper on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.